Jimmy
and
Clark.
Todd.
He's gonna gimp you good.
What are you doing?
Yeah, he's a bit of a violent sadist, but I gotta tell you, he makes an incredible pollo verde.
I want to make Zigbeanie so bad. Zigbeanie?
What the fuck is Zigbeanie?
Zigbeanie. Is it Zigbeanie?
What is Zigbeanie?
Is that? Am I pronouncing it right?
I don't know.
I don't know.
I'm gonna say no.
I just decided to be
Probably
wildly
not.
aggressive, and I suddenly feel so bad because I thought you were right, and now if you were wrong, and I was hitting you with that, now I feel guilty.
Shut up. What's Zibidi? Zibidi?
Wait, are you trying to say baked ziti?
Jordan?
I think it is. Yeah, Big ZD. ITI.
Where'd you get Zibbity from?
I didn't say Zippity, I said Zigbeanie.
Yes, you did. You said
I
Zibbity.
accidentally put a B instead of a T.
Oh no, you broke Cascums. You broke Cascums so hard.
What is going on? I can't even understand you right now. What are you saying?
Justin came out of his office and now is just laying on the floor laughing.
Damn. This is a weird crowd. Y'all
From the Big Zibbity?
weird. Big Zibbity dudes. Yeah, dude, I want to make some Big Zibbity dude. This is a tough crowd.
Super Dudettes!
Bro, I'm never saying a single food item ever again.
Oh my god, Cockrock!
Yes.
Holy shit, bro.
What? I had to make sure.
Oh my god, I got destroyed.
Okay. I could get you some big
Hello?
CD at work.
Hello?
Big
Huh?
Zibbity.
It's Zabidi.
I'm just gonna say I'm
Jordan.
awesome so bad.
I can't imagine this one.
I want
I
Big
am-
Ditto. What if we did
I
pasta
laughed
and
so
baked
hard,
potatoes?
Jordan, that I immediately have a